god. Unfortunate sequence of events. That car is bent sideways. Wow.
Wow. Jesus.
Thank you for spraying metal and glass everywhere. That was fucking lovely. What the heck?
If you look on the right side of the road and also at the top of the traffic light, you can see this is a 2-lane right turn.
Continue on Southeast 164th Avenue.
It wasn't clear. What are you doing?
What the fuck are you? What the hell was that?
This guy had this super bright auxiliary light on the front of his truck, and the video is not even doing it justice, but you can see how bright it is even from, several car lengths away. It was really bad.
Whoa, dude. Jeez.
We're right the fuck here.
So it's very common in Portland to come across intersections, especially in residential areas, that don't have any stop signs or control devices of any kind. So at a 4-way intersection, you would yield to the right. Kudos to that guy for making sure I was actually going to stop, though. This hurts me to watch. I think this was right in my A-pillar and I just did not see it at all. Yeah, no damage, I don't think.
You're not in the turn lane. What are you doing?
So I'm getting in a lane here that goes straight across this first intersection and feeds into the left turn lane on the other side. And there was a white Volvo that was behind me in that straight lane.
Do we live any closer to the mountain now?
Do you live any closer to the what?
Mountain.
Oh my goodness.
For real, dude?
A little bit actually.
So this guy in front of me was going like 10 under the speed limit, and I went around a little aggressively here, but you'll see why in a second, because the guy that was behind me was tailgating and flashing his lights and very not happy with how fast we were going.
Yeah, it could be that, but it's just really interesting here that someone well respected, like, why would she come up with something?
So this is just like 4 minutes after the last clip. Pretty short queue today, sometimes it's longer. These 2 Mini Coopers decide to cut in from the straight only lane, only the red one does it right beside me and ends up kind of getting stuck on the shoulder because I didn't let her get in. So that was a little bit amusing. No squirrels were harmed in the next sequence of clips.
Jesus. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh. A squirrel. Out of this street. Fucking squirrels.
Hey guys, so this is kind of the end of the video here. The remainder is just going to be some scenic stuff and me giving a little bit of an update. This was just the first day we had all the wildfire smoke. You can see just how windy it was, which was causing the fires to start in the first place. This was recorded in our 1998 Mercury Mountaineer. We use it kind of as a camper and also to haul stuff. You probably saw the canoe on the roof in another clip. It's a good little truck. It's just kind of a secondary vehicle we have. The big update is that I've moved out of Portland to Vancouver, Washington, which is still a suburb of Portland, and I'm still working in Portland, so you'll still see clips from the same usual places. You just may see a little bit more from the Washington side. This clip is a throwback to 2017. This was the last really bad wildfire smoke that we had. And this was a little road trip that I'd taken with my friend. We were trying to go to Crater Lake, and the highway to get there was closed, so our GPS was like, well, take this 20-mile long gravel road, and we get to the very end of the road, and it is closed, not towards the direction we're trying to go, but back the way we had come. We had driven down a closed road. So according to the fire marshal we talked to, the road was supposed to have been closed and barricaded, but I guess they had not put the barricades up like they were supposed to. So we had to go find kind of another road trip to do instead.